If you haven't heard about new regulations regarding face masks, or if you've been living underneath a rock the past few months, we wanted to help the MUSC family work together to limit the spread of COVID-19 by showing you how to properly wear the latest life-saving fashion accessory, the face mask.
First, whether you use a mask provided by MUSC or your own cloth mask, wash your hands before putting it on using an alcohol-based sanitizer or soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Also, if you're wearing a cloth mask, make sure it has multiple layers of fabric. Layering is so in this season. Make sure your mask covers your nose and mouth. If it isn't covering your nose and mouth, then it's just a chin guard that isn't doing much to protect you or those around you. So when you put on a mask, ensure that it covers your mouth and also your nose. The mask should also be secured under your chin and fit snugly against your face, but still allowing for breathability. Avoid touching the mask while wearing it, and launder cloth masks 3 times a week unless it has become visibly soiled. Disposable masks should be discarded daily or more frequently if soiled. When you are ready to take off your mask, remove it from the back and avoid touching the front of the mask. After removing your mask, remember to wash your hands again. And don't forget, wearing a mask is not a substitute for social distancing. If you are unable to wear a mask for medical reasons, you are asked to provide written documentation from your provider to your college. Further guidance will come from your supervisor and the Director of Equity, Equal Employment Opportunity, and University Accessibility Services. Masks are to be worn in all university buildings, including stairwells, elevators, classrooms and conference rooms, restrooms, and while hanging out with your friends. And don't forget, nobody is above these rules. We must all do our part to help limit the spread of COVID-19. Failure of students to follow these COVID-19 public health directives may be deemed as a violation of the Professionalism and Standards of Conduct for Students policy. If you have any questions regarding university or state mask policies, please visit the MUSC website or reach out to your supervisor. As members of the healthcare team, it is our responsibility to do what we can to protect the health of those we serve. We hope you'll join us in this simple act that not only protects you, but also protects our MUSC family and our Charleston community.